Hello, we're gonna do LIFO method now. We're gonna prepare last in, first out perpetual inventory record. We have this question, so we need to do requirement 2 now. We're gonna do LIFO method. We're gonna do LIFO. So this table is called perpetual inventory record. We're gonna have 3 main columns: purchases, cost of goods sold, and inventory on hand. Inventory on hand is the balance. Okay, and we have the question or the transactions down here. So October 1st, beginning merchandise inventory, 20 units at 66 each. So we're gonna write them under balance. 20, 66 each. So the total will be 1,320. On October 11, purchase 8 units at 73 each. So under purchases, I'm gonna write 8 times 73 each equals 584. Now what's my balance? I had 20 units and I purchased 8. So I have 20 and 8. So 20 at 66 each. So the total cost will be 1,320. Then 8 units, 73 each. So the total will be 584. Now on October 23rd, sale 15 units at 86 each. Now the 86 is sales price, is not the cost. So in this table, I want to find cost of goods sold, not sales revenue. So I'm gonna ignore the 86 now. I need to look at my previous balance. I want to sell 15 units. I'm using LIFO. LIFO, last in, first out. So I sell the newest. Okay, so we start with the 8. 8, 73 each. So it's gonna be 584. Now the total units to be sold is 15. I sold 8, so I need more 7. So I'm gonna take 7 from the 20 units at 66 each. So it's gonna be 462. Now what's left? 8 units sold, 27 sold. So 13 units left. 13 units left at 66 from the oldest. So it's gonna be 858. On October 26th, purchase 13 units at 84. So under purchases, I'm gonna write 13 at 84 each. So it's gonna be 1,092. Now what's the balance? We had 13 units at 66. And I purchased 13 more at 84. So the total cost will be 1092. Now on October 29, Sale 15 tires at 86 each. Again, the 86 is the sales price. It's not the cost of goods sold. It's the sales revenue. We don't care about the 86 now. So I need to look at my previous balance. I have 13 units at 66 each and 13 units at 84 each. I want to sell 15 units. I'm using LIFO, last in, first out. So I need to sell the newest. So we're gonna start with 13 units at 84 each. So the total will be 1092. Now I need to sell 15 units in total. I sold 13, so 2 more needed. From the oldest, 66 each. So it's gonna be 132. Now what's left? 13 at 84, it's sold. 13 at 66, 2 units sold. So 11 at 66 each. So it's gonna be 726. Now let's do the totals. 8 plus 13, it's gonna be 21. 584 plus 1092, it's gonna be 1676. I sold 30 units in total. The total cost will be 584 plus 462 plus 1092 plus 132. It's gonna be 2270. For the ending balance, you just take the last cell, 11. The total cost is 726. This is your beginning and this is your ending balance. Now let's find the gross profit. Sales revenue less cost of goods sold equals gross profit. Now sales revenue, how many times did we sell? 2 times, on 23rd and on 29th. 15 units at 86 on 23rd, 15 units at 86 on 29th. So total of 30 units at 86 each. So it's gonna be 2,580. Cost of goods sold, we're gonna take it from the table, from here, this one. It's gonna be 2,270. So 2,580 less 2,270. The gross profit will be 310. Now, if I want to check my answer, I have this equation, which is beginning inventory plus purchases less ending inventory equals cost of goods sold. Now, beginning inventory balance is 1,320. Purchases for October is 1,676. Ending inventory is 726. So let's do the calculation now. Beginning 1,320. Purchases 1,676 less 726 ending. Now let's solve for x. Okay, you should get the same as your cost of goods sold here. Yes, it's correct, 2,270. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment. Please like, share and subscribe.